If your Windows PC is running slow, taking forever to boost, freezing, or lagging, it's usually caused by too many background processes, junk files, or even outdated drivers. After watching this video, you will know to speed up your PC step by step, including on powerful CMD command. So let's start. First up, let's delete temporary and junk files. On your keyboard, press Windows plus R button. Now type %temp %, and then click OK. Delete all files in the folder, all of it. After this, close this folder and press Windows plus R button again. This time, only type temp, and then click OK. Repeat the same thing here and delete everything in the folder. Once done, close the folder. Now finally press the Windows plus R button on last time. Type prefetch. If you are prompted to continue with administrator permissions, then simply go along with it. Delete everything here as well. These folders store cached files that can safely be deleted. Now the ultimate CMD solutions, SFC plus DISM. Click your Windows search bar and type CMD. Now right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. In CMD, type the following command, sfc/scannow. Then hit enter. This scans and repairs corrupted system files. Let this process finish as it can take some time. After this, run another command, DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. Now hit enter. This repairs the Windows image itself. I will drop these commands in the video description so you can simply copy and paste them if you want. Once the command process is done, restart your PC properly and you'll notice the performance boost. And that's how you fix a slow PC by deleting junk and repairing the system files. Try the steps and your Windows PC should feel much faster. If this helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple Windows tutorials and also for mobile tutorials. Thanks for watching.